knows how to melt chocolate to get perfect results. So today I'm going to show you how to melt Nestlé Melts for a beautiful end result with a really nice sheen to the chocolate that you can use for coating things or when you're baking. So in here I've got 375 grams of Nestlé Melts, that's one packet, and I prefer to melt them in the microwave. So I'm going to pop these in the microwave, first stage for 1 minute on 50% power. So you can see here after the first minute that the shape integrity hasn't really changed at all, but it has started to soften the chocolate. So I'm just going to give that just a quick stir around, just a little bit, because I can see that's just started to take. And now put it back in the microwave again, but this time only for 30 seconds and again on 50% power. Okay, so that's after our first 30 seconds. So we've had 1 minute 30 seconds and you can see now that that's really starting to melt beautifully. And it is very, very important that you do take it out after every 30 seconds. Now you can see this is really starting to melt. That's at a total time of 2 minutes, but there's still 1 or 2 lumps in there. So I'm going to give that one final 30 seconds and that will be the chocolate perfectly ready to go. Okay, so 2 minutes, 30 seconds later at 50% in the microwave. That's just beautiful. Now the other way of melting chocolate is to do it in a bowl over a pan of simmering water. So add the melts to the dry bowl. Now this way it's going to take around 6 minutes, which is longer than doing it in the microwave, and the risk that you have with doing it this way is that you may get some water if you lift the pan off into the chocolate. That's what causes chocolate to seize. Now there's 2 ways you can seize chocolate. One is by too much heat, so you can seize chocolate in the microwave, that's why we always do 50% power. The other way is by getting water into the chocolate. But if you just leave this on a simmer, you don't turn it around too much, for 6 minutes that'll be perfect. Now that's had 5.5 minutes and as you can see we're almost there, just 1 or 2 small little lumps to go. We stir that for a few seconds and then it's finished. So this method does work really well. Don't forget, don't lift the bowl off, so avoid getting any water that will cause that seizing. This method does take a little bit longer than the microwave, but still beautiful, nice, glossy results.